Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to get a list of all the tables in database using T-SQL in SQL Server 2022. So this is my SQL Server 2022 version. So I'm using Developer Edition. So this is the query. Select table underscore name from information underscore schema.tables where table underscore type equal to base table. Okay, so first I'm switching to AdventureWorks database. I'm running this query. See here, these are the tables available in AdventureWorks database. So around 12 tables are there. See here, 12 tables are there. Okay, select name from sys.tables. This is another method. Select name from sys.tables and select name from sysobjects where xtype equal to u. So xtype equal to u means it will select the base table. Select name from sys.objects where type equal to user table. Okay, so there are 4 methods to get the table name, that is all the tables from particular database. So let me give you select star from. Let me show you select star from. Select star from will give you full details. See here, it gives complete information about the table. Select star from sys.tables. Yes, select star from sys.tables, give more information. Select star from sysobjects where xtype equal to u. So xtype equal to u means base table or user table. Okay. Select star from sys.objects. This also will give you more details. So 4 queries are there to get the list of all the tables in database by using T-SQL in SQL Server 2022. You can use any method based on your convenience.